Okay, let's transform the numbers into pictures. There is the daily list from 0 to 31 because of 0, a month has 31 days maximum. That's from it goes from 0 to 31. And it was Jens Vogt who has created these lists, and I wanted to have the same pictures, even it's not very correctly in English, but I wanted it was the same in the most of languages that we have. So you can imagine that a neck can be a 0 because it looks like. A 3 can be a 1. A swan looks like a 2. Triangle, it's normal. A car has 4 wheels. A hand has 5 fingers. A dice has 6 sides. There are 7 dwarfs. And a roller coaster, that's in Germany, it means Achterbahn. That is, 8 means 8. That's because I just leave it here. It's, the roller coaster is number 8. 9 is a cat because a cat has 9 lives. In the Bible, there are the 10 commandments. The penalty, that's here you have 11 meters. A calendar has 12 months. The lift goes to the 13th floor. The 14th of February is Valentine's, St. Valentine's, and that's because it's a heart at 14. There was 15 knights on the table. That's because of knights is 15. At 16 you become teenager. There's a game 17, a card game is 17 and 4, so that's because 17 is a card game. In Europe, you receive a driving license at 18, with 18 years. And at 19 o'clock, you receive dinner. At 20 o'clock, there are the evening news. The 21st of March, there begins the spring. So that's because it's 21. Schnaps is this in Germany. That's the 22 is a number of Schnaps, and that's because it's remember only that Schnaps is 22. Basketball, I think it was the number of Michael Jordan or someone, a celebrity in basketball. That's basketball is 23. A Christmas tree, you make it at the 24th of December. And 25 is a silver wedding anniversary, 25 years, we're married. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. 27 is sleeper. In Germany it means Siebenschläfer. It's 27. Remember only that 27 is sleeper. Doppelherz is a German medicament to strengthen the heart. So it's remember that 28 is Doppelherz. And the 29th is the of February. There are only some persons who celebrate their birthday at the 19th of February. That's because it's a birthday cake. There's some zone who is only 30 who can drive, so it's a traffic sign who means 30. And 31 is the fireworks at the Sylvester evening, so it's fireworks at the 13th of December, 31st of December. So you can look at this list and try to memorize a little bit, even if you only need normally the first 10 perhaps. That's all for this moment.